Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to solve some more questions. Let's look at the question over here in which we have to find out the coordinates of the straight line with the curve. Now, the first question here is y is equals to 2x plus 1 and y is equals to x square minus x plus 3. Now, start solving it. First, we will put the value of y, which is given here, y is equals to 2x plus 1, in another equation, which is y is equals to x square minus x plus 3. So we have 2x plus 1 instead of y and is equals to x square minus x plus 3. We have just put the value of y here. Further solving, we will have x square minus x plus 3, and taking these expressions to the other side, we have minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, in order to find out the coordinates, we will factorize this equation. X square minus 2x minus x, which is equivalent to minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. By taking x common from these two terms, we have x minus 2 minus and 1. From these two terms, we have minus 1. We have minus minus plus x minus 2. Now we have x minus 2 and x minus 1 are the factors is equals to 0, which means we have x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 1. Now we will put these values of x in any equation in order to find out the value of y. First, we will find out the value of y for x is equals to 2. By putting this value in equation y is equals to 2x plus 1, we will have y is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 plus 1, y is equals to 4 plus 1, or y is equals to 5. So we have coordinates 2, 5. Now we will find out the value of y for x is equals to 1. We will have y is equals to 2x plus 1 and then y is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Or we have coordinates 1, 3. So we have two pairs of coordinate 2, 5 and 1, 3 for the given equation and curve. Here we have another pair of a straight line and curve, which is x plus 2y is equals to 3 and x square plus xy is equals to 2. First, we will find out the value of x from this equation, which will come out as x is equals to 3 minus 2y. We simply shift this 2y on the other side. Now, we will put this value of x in another equation, which is x square plus xy is equals to 2. By putting this value, we will have 3 minus 2y whole square plus 3 minus 2y into y is equals to 2. By applying the formula of a minus b whole square, which is equivalent to a square minus 2ab plus b square, we will have a is 3 into 3 is 9, minus 2 from the formula, 2 into 3, 6, into 12 y plus 4y square, as b is 2y, plus 3y minus 2y square is equals to 2. Now we have 4y square minus 2y square, which is equivalent to 2y square, minus 12y plus 3y becomes minus 9y. Here we have 9, which is plus 9 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have 2y² minus 9y plus 7 is equals to 0. Now we will factorize this equation in order to get the values of y. We will break minus 9y into minus 2y minus 7y plus 7 is equals to 0. Now we will take 2y common from here. We will have y minus 1 and 7 from here. So we have, as it is minus 7 common here, so it also becomes y minus 1. Now we have y minus 1 and 2y minus 7 is equals to 0, or y is equals to 1 and 2y is equals to 7, or y is equals to 7 over 2. Now we will find out the values of x for the given values of y, which is y is equals to 1. We will have x plus 2y is equals to 3 and x plus 2 into 1 is equals to 3, or x is equals to 3 minus 2, as 2 into 2, 1 is 2, and this will go there, so it becomes minus, or x is equals to 1. So the first pair of coordinate is 1 and 1, and for y is equals to 7 over 2, we will have x plus 2y is equals to 3, x plus 2, 7 over 2 is equals to 3, or we will have x plus 7 is equals to 3, or we will have x is equals to minus 4. So the second pair of coordinate comes out as minus 4, 7 over 2. Here we have another pair, 3y plus 4x is equals to 25 and x² plus y² is equals to 25. First we will find out the value of x with the help of this equation, which is 3y plus 4x is equals to 25. First we will take 3y to the other side and become 25 minus 3y. Then we will have 4x is equals to 25 minus 3y. In order to eliminate 4 from x, we will shift it to the other side and it becomes x is equals to 25 minus 3y over 4. Now we will put this value in another equation, which is x² plus y² is equals to 25. Instead of x, we will have 25 minus 3y over 4 square plus y square is equals to 25. We have applied a square on 4, so it becomes 16 plus y square is equals to 25. We will expand this expression with the help of the formula a minus b whole square. So here a is 25, so it becomes 625, 25 into 25, and 2ab, 2 into 25 into 3y, so it becomes minus 150y plus 3y into 3y is 3, 9y square divided by 16 plus y square is equals to 25. By taking 16 as an LCM, we will have 625 minus 150y plus 9y square plus 16y square is equals to 25. Now we have 9 plus 16 is 25y square minus 150y plus 625. We will shift this 16 to here and it will multiply with the 25. Now we have 25y square minus 150y plus 625 is equals to 400. 25 into 16. Now we have 25y square minus 150y plus 25. This will shift here and it gets subtracted from 625. So we will have to 25. Now we will factorize it in order to get the value of y. We simply break this 150 into minus 75y and minus 75y. By taking 25y common, we will have y minus 3. Here we will take 75 as common and still we have y minus plus minus 3 is equals to 0. Now we have 25y minus 75 and y minus 3 as our factors. Y minus 3 is equals to 0 become y is equals to 3 and 25 y minus 75 is equals to 0 becomes 25y is equals to 75 or y is equals to 75 over 25 and we still get the value of y as 3. So we will have only one point of intersection for the given equation of curve and straight line. By putting this value of y in any equation, we will have the value of x Now we have 25 minus 9 or 16, or we have x is equals to 4. So we have 4, 3 as our point of intersection for the given equations. Now look at another pair of equations. We have here 2x minus 5y is equals to 6, 2xy minus 4x square minus 3y is equals to 1. First we will derive the value of x from this equation. Now we will have 2x is equals to 6 plus 5y, as we have just shifted this expression here and its signs become positive. Now we have x is equals to 6 plus 5y over 2. Now we will put this value of x in another equation. We will have 2, 6 plus 5y over 2, y minus 4, 6 plus 5y over 2 whole square minus 3y is equals to 1. This 2 cancels out with this 2 and we will have 6y plus 5y square minus 4, 6 plus 5y whole square, and we have just applied a square on this 2 and it becomes 4 and this 4 cancels out with this 4 minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. We have shifted this one on the other side. Now we have 6y plus 5y square minus, we have explained this expression with the help of a plus b whole square formula and become 36 plus 60y plus 25y square minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. We will have 6y plus 5y square, 6y plus 5y square minus 36 minus 60y minus 25y square minus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have plus 5 square minus 25y square and becomes minus 20y square. Now we have 6y minus 60y and minus 3y. So it becomes minus 57y and we have minus 36 and minus 1 and become minus 37 is equals to 0. Taking common, we will have 20y square plus 57y plus 37 is equals to 0, and shifting this minus sign here, minus 1, we have taken minus 1 common, and shifting it here, it becomes 0. So we will have 20y square plus 57y plus 37 is equals to 0. Now we will factorize this expression in order to get the value of y. We have 20y square. We have just simply break 57 into 20 plus 37y. 20y into plus 37y plus 37 is equals to 0. Taking 20y as common, we will have y plus 1 plus 37. Common, we will have y plus 1 again, and the factors are y plus 1 and 20y plus 37. We have y is equals to minus 1 for y plus 1 and 20y is equals to minus 37, or y is equals to minus 37 over 20. Now we will find out the value of x with these values of y. For y is equals to minus 1, we will have x is equals to 1 over 2, and for y is equals to minus 37 over 20, we will have we will have 8x plus 37 . We will have 8x is equals to 24 minus 37. So we have first pair minus 1 over 2 and minus 1, and the second pair minus 13 over 8 and minus 37 over 20. Now look at another question in which we have to find the number of points of intersection of the straight line with the curve. Here we have a pair of a straight line and a curve, which is y is equals to 1 minus 2x, x square plus y square is equals to 1. In order to find out the number of points of intersection, first we will solve these equations and get a single quadratic equation, and then with the help of the quadratic discriminant, we will find out the number of points of intersection. Now let's start solving this question. First we will put the value of y is equals to 1 minus 2x in the second equation, which is x square plus, instead of y we will put 1 minus 2x whole square is equals to 1. We will expand this expression with the help of a minus b whole square formula. We have 1 minus 4x plus 4x square is equals to 1. We have 5x square minus 4x plus 1 and minus 1 is equals to 0. We will have 5x square minus 4x is equals to 0. Now applying quadratic discriminant here, we will have a is equals to 5, b is equals to minus 4, And as we know, there is no constant, so C is equals to 0. By putting these values into the formula, b square minus 4ac, let's see we will have how many number of points of intersection. The b was minus 4 whole square minus 4, a is 5 and c is 0. So we will have only 16. As 16 is a positive value, so it means that we will have 2 points of intersection for the given pair of straight line and curve. Here we have another pair of equations. 4y is equals to 12 minus x and xy is equals to 9. First we will derive the value of x from this equation. 4y here minus x, we will take it here, it becomes plus x is equals to 12, or x is equals to 12 minus 4y. We have just simply taken 4y here. Now we will put this value of x in another equation, which is xy is equals to 9. So we have 12 minus 4y into y is equals to 9, or we will have 12y minus 4y square is equals to 9, or minus 4y square plus 12y minus 9 is equals to 0. We have just taken minus 1 common here, so we will have 4y square minus 12y plus 9 is equals to 0, and once this minus 1 goes there, it becomes 0. So we will have 4y square minus 12y plus 9 is equals to 0. Now we will put the values of a, b and c into the quadratic discriminant, but first we will see a is 4 here, b is minus 12 and c is equals to 9. Now putting it into the discriminant, we have b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, b is minus 12 square minus 4, a is 4 and c is 9. So we have 144, and again we have 4 into 16 and 16 into 9 is 144. So it becomes 0. And as we know that for the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, we will have 1 point of intersection. When the value of expression b square minus 4ac is positive, we will have 2 points of intersection, positive or greater than 0, we have 2 points of intersection. When the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, we will have 1 point of intersection. And when the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to less than 0, we will have no point of intersection. Look at another question in which we have values y is equals to 1 over 2x minus 1 and y is equals to 4x square. We will simply put the value of y in this equation. So we will have 4x square is equals to 1 over 2x minus 1. We will take LCM over here as 2 and we will have x minus 2. We will have 8x square is equals to x minus 2, or 8x square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now here a is equals to 8, b is equals to minus 1 and c is equals to 2. As constant with x here is 1, so b is minus 1. Now putting the values in discriminant b square minus 4ac, we will have minus 1 whole square minus 4, a is 8 and c is 2. We have 1 minus, or we have minus 63. So this is the value of b square minus 4ac, and as it is negative or less than 0, so it means that we have 0 or no point of intersection. We have covered all the 3 types of questions in which we have 2 points of intersection, 1 point of intersection and no point of intersection. Hope these videos are helpful for you. Do visit and subscribe my channel. Thank you.